How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. What time do you go to work? I go to work at 9 a.m. Do you exercise every day? Yes, I go for a walk in the evening. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and toast. Do you drink coffee or tea? I drink coffee. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook pasta. Where do you buy groceries? I buy groceries at the supermarket. Do you like shopping? Yes, I love shopping. How much is this shirt? It is $20. Do you pay with cash or card? I pay with a card. Where can I find the bread? The bread is in aisle 3. How do you go to work? I go to work by bus. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. How long does it take to get to work? It takes 30 minutes. Is the train station near your house? Yes, it is very close. Do you like traveling by plane? Yes, I enjoy it. Where do you live? I live in a small apartment. How many rooms are in your house? There are 3 rooms in my house. Do you have a garden? Yes, I have a small garden. What color is your house? My house is white. Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. Do you like shopping online? Yes, it is very convenient. How much money do you spend on clothes? I spend about $50 a month. Where can I buy a gift? You can buy a gift at the mall. Do you use coupons when shopping? Yes, I always use coupons. What do you usually buy at the market? I buy fruits and vegetables. What time is it now? It is 3 p.m. What day is it today? Today is Monday. What is the date today? It is January 15th. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you wear a watch? Yes, I wear a watch every day. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you celebrate New Year's Eve? Yes, I celebrate with my family. What do you do on your birthday? I have a party with friends. Do you like Halloween? Yes, I like dressing up. How do you celebrate festivals in your country? We eat special food and spend time with family. Do you like riding a bike? Yes, I love riding my bike. How often do you take a taxi? I take a taxi once a month. Do you use public transportation? Yes, I take the bus every day. Is it expensive to travel by train? No, it is quite cheap. How do you commute to work? I drive my car to work. Why are you learning English? I need it for my job. Do you like studying English? Yes, I enjoy it. How often do you practice English? I practice every day. Do you watch English movies? Yes, I watch them with subtitles. Can you speak English fluently? Not yet, but I am improving. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I enjoy meeting new people. Do you go out with friends often? Yes, we go out every weekend. What do you do with your friends? We go to the movies or eat at a restaurant. Do you like going to parties? Yes, I love parties. Do you prefer staying home or going out? I prefer staying home. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Do you like listening to the radio? Yes, I listen to the radio in the morning. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you like going to concerts? Yes, I love live music. Do you watch sports on TV? Yes, I watch football games. Do you like nature? Yes, I love being in nature. Do you go hiking? Yes, I go hiking on weekends. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is the rose. Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn. Do you recycle? Yes, I recycle paper and plastic. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Do you like the ocean? Yes, I love the ocean. Have you ever been to the mountains? Yes, I have been to the mountains many times. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I grow flowers in my garden. What is your job? I am a teacher. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy my job. Where do you work? I work in a hospital. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. Do you work on weekends? No, I do not work on weekends. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a doctor. Do you have a part-time job? Yes, I work at a cafe. Do you work with a team? Yes, I work with a great team. Do you like your boss? Yes, my boss is very kind. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Where do you want to go? I want to go to Italy. Do you travel alone or with friends? I travel with friends. Do you like visiting museums? Yes, I enjoy museums. How do you plan your trips? I use a travel app. Do you like road trips? Yes, I enjoy driving to new places. Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I have been to France. What is your dream destination? My dream destination is Japan. Do you like staying in hotels? Yes, I like staying in comfortable hotels. Do you take many photos when you travel? Yes, I take lots of photos. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. Can you cook your favorite dish? Yes, I can cook pasta. Do you eat out often? Yes, I eat out once a week. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is cake. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I like spicy food. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat rice and vegetables. Do you like trying new food? Yes, I love trying new food. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Do you drink a lot of water? Yes, I drink 8 glasses of water a day. Do you have a laptop? Yes, I have a laptop. Do you use social media? Yes, I use social media every day. What is your favorite website? My favorite website is YouTube. Do you like online shopping? Yes, it is very easy. Do you play games on your phone? Yes, I play games sometimes. Do you use a smartwatch? No, I don't have a smartwatch. Do you like using technology? Yes, I think it is very useful. Do you know how to code? No, but I want to learn. Do you watch videos online? Yes, I watch videos every day. Do you like reading ebooks? Yes, I read ebooks on my tablet. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school every day. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. Do you like your teachers? Yes, they are very kind. What time does your school start? My school starts at 8 a.m. Do you have homework every day? Yes, I have homework every day. What is your least favorite subject? My least favorite subject is history. Do you study with friends? Yes, we study together on weekends. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I enjoy learning. Do you use a computer for school? Yes, I use it for research. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading. Do you have many friends? Yes, I have many friends. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lisa. Do you spend time with your family? Yes, we have dinner together every night. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I enjoy meeting new people. Do you have a big family? Yes, I have a big family. Do you visit your relatives often? Yes, I visit them once a month. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Do you like spending time with children? Yes, I enjoy playing with my nephew. Do you call your friends often? Yes, I call them every evening. Do you prefer being alone or with others? I prefer being with others. What do you do in your free time? I like to read and watch TV. Do you like drawing? Yes, I enjoy drawing. Do you play sports? Yes, I play soccer. Do you enjoy listening to music? Yes, I listen to music every day. What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies. Do you like cooking? Yes, I love cooking new recipes. Do you collect anything? Yes, I collect stamps. Do you write in a journal? Yes, I write in my journal every night. Do you enjoy going to the park? Yes, I like walking in the park. Do you like taking photos? Yes, photography is my hobby. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Do you take naps during the day? Yes, I take a short nap after lunch. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I drink coffee every morning. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and relax. Do you clean your house every day? No, I clean it twice a week. Do you cook dinner every night? Yes, I cook dinner for my family. Do you watch TV after dinner? Yes, I watch my favorite shows. Do you go to bed early? Yes, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you read before sleeping? Yes, I read for 15 minutes. What do you do on weekends? I spend time with my family and friends. What are your plans for tomorrow? I plan to go shopping. Do you have plans for the weekend? Yes, I will visit my grandparents. Where do you want to be in 5 years? I want to have a good job. Do you want to travel abroad? Yes, I want to visit Europe. Do you plan to learn another language? Yes, I want to learn Spanish. Do you want to buy a house in the future? Yes, I want a house with a garden. Do you plan to study more? Yes, I want to get a master's degree. Do you want to start a business? Yes, I want to open a cafe. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be a writer. Do you have a bucket list? Yes, I want to try skydiving.